Hi everyone, here's a beautiful problem. There's a particular job that needs to be done. William can do the job in 8 hours. Joe can do the job in 6 hours. Now the question is, how long does it take if William and Joe work together? There are two methods of solving it. I'm going to show both methods. Okay, first method. There's William, there's Joe. William takes 6 hours, Joe takes 8 hours. I'm going to treat this job as a distance you have to cover. We don't know what that distance is, but let's call it n. Okay, the speed is distance over time. That means William's speed is n over 6 and Joe's speed is n over 8. So like if you do 50 kilometers in 6 hours, your speed is 50 divided by 6. Now then, if they're working together, the time it takes is the entire job divided by speed. That's an equation. If speed is distance over time, time is distance over speed. Well, that distance is n, which we're not sure of, and the speed is the two speeds added together. It's combined together if they're working at the same time. So it's n over 6 plus n over 8. And if we do the arithmetic with fractions, it's easy to write n as n over 1. And there I found a common denominator of 48. That means we times that n by 8, we times that by 6. And we simplify for 8n plus 6n is 14n. When we divide fractions, we flip and multiply. Equals n over 1 times 48 over 14n. The n's cancels out. 48 over 14 divided by 2 is 24 over 7. That's 3 and 3 over 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Left over 3 over 7. That's one method. The other method, if it takes William 8 hours to do the job, that means in 1 hour he will do 1/8 of the job. If it takes Joe 6 hours to do the job, that means in 1 hour he'll do 1/6. Think of it logically. If it takes you 6 hours to walk a certain distance, it means in 1 hour you've walked 1/6 of the distance. Therefore, in 1 hour, the fraction down is a 2 added together. If William does 1/8 of the job in that hour and Joe does 1/6, in 1 hour, the fraction of the job is William and Joe added together. And we just do the arithmetic, we find a common denominator. And that means in 1 hour, they do 14 over 48, which is 7 over 24. Now then, that means in 1 hour, each one of them does 7 over 24. That's the fraction of the job. But what we want to know is not in 1 hour, but the entire job. So instead of saying 7 over 24, we want to make that 1. If that's 7 over 24 of the job, 1 is the whole job. Now, if two fractions are equal, I forgot to write the equal sign. What you do to the left, we do to the right. To turn this into the 1, we multiply by 24 over 7, because everything will cancel out. So the time taken is 24 over 7. That means the time taken for the entire job is 24 over 7, which simplifies to 3 3/7 of an hour. That's the same question done in two different methods.